Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make a chocolate mug cake in 2 minutes in the microwave. If you want to see this video, stay tuned. Okay, this is of the ingredients we're going to use to make this very delicious recipe and very easy to make. Spray, and I'm going to spray the cup or the mug, or you can use butter. I also had the milk chocolate powder, but you can use cocoa or cocoa powder. I'm going to sift it. This is 2 tablespoons of the cake flour. I'm using Presto brand name, but you can use any cake flour. 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box below. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the chocolate powder. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of Nutella. Now we're gonna go ahead and spray the mug or the cup. Make sure you use try to use a mug, big one, and you're gonna fill it out to only halfway because this is gonna expand. So don't fill it up to the top because it's not all the cake is gonna come out of the cup. Just halfway like this. And I'm going to show you. You see, halfway. And then we're going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And the cake is ready. And we're gonna check if the cake is ready. You're gonna get a fork and you're gonna insert it to the cake. And if the fork comes out clean, it's ready. If for any reason the cake is still a little bit wet, you put it back in the microwave for 30 more seconds. And it shouldn't be done like that. Okay, now I'm going to show you. This is a very moist and it's very, very good. It's not too sweet. And then we're going to try it, but I'm going to show you first. I just sprinkle a little bit of the powdered sugar, but that's optional. Even if you want, you can put some frosting, but it's very good the way it is.
Is it good? Oh, this time is good?
Por eso dices, this time good.
This time is good.
Está caliente. Cuidado, está caliente. ¿Te gusta? Cuidado que está caliente, está caliente.
I'm trying good. You're not letting me try. Yeah.
Tampe. Vamos a ver a Ariane. Ariane no es mucho de bizcocho.
It's better.
It's good.
It has the sugar.
La primera vez hizo un blooper y se me olvidó el azúcar. ¿Te gusta, mami? Yaneli, ¿quieres probar bizcocho? ¿Ah? Ay, está bien. Ven para que pruebe bizcocho. Bizcocho.
Oh,
¿Te gusta?
good. Really good. I'll take some. No, wait.
Dale, dale, dale. Dale, dale. La te gusta, dale.